Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. It's time to get hydrated. I want to show you one of my favorite bottled waters. This is Smart Water, and I love this so much. So this is a 1 liter bottle, which I really love because you have a good amount of water with you. So there's no excuse on getting your hydration in, and it tastes delicious. So this is a vapor distilled water, so it's super pure, and there is electrolytes added to it, which really enhances the flavor. It gives it just like a really nice, crisp, pure, fresh taste, and I really like it. I also love that it has the electrolytes, so this is great when you are working out or maybe it is a hot day and you really want to make sure that you're staying good and hydrated, then those electrolytes really come in handy. I love the shape of this bottle. It fits into cup holders really well in both my car as well as on my indoor stationary bike. So I really like that. It's just a very convenient bottle shape. So if you're looking for a really delicious bottled water that is going to help you stay hydrated and it's going to taste great, then I would definitely check out this Smart Water, and that is my point of view.